Hi everyone, I'm Danny. I'm CEO and founder of Zapiens. First of all, sorry because I couldn't be here today with you in person in this amazing day. But I hope that I could share with you some ideas and thoughts through this video. So, first of all, what we do. What we do is a collaborative intelligence system. I know that if I use these words, it's only for freaks and geeks like us, so I feel like at home. But of course, our value proposal is to save time in the corporates that we are working with in order to connect all the culture and all the mindset. So because at the end of the day, our mission is connect humans, break the information silos, and build a species of collaborative brain, a brain that stores all the knowledge of one tribe. It's a complex thing to try to explain this, but I know I'm feel secure because I know with with other innovators. So that's what we do, and I want to share with you some technologies that we are using to do this, and that I think that are gonna change the future in innovation. First of all, we use NLP, natural language processing. The most important thing for us, because at the end of the day we are an app, it's that our system needs to understand humans speaking. So the ability to understand these humans and extract all this information and collect in a kind of corporate brain, it's really important for us, and I think that this is gonna change and revolutionize in the future years the mindset about how we evolve the culture in our tribes, because at the end the culture of a tribe, from my point of view, is the most important thing. If we create a culture that share all these kind of things and evolve really fast and adapt to the environmental and are able to think in an exponential point of view, I think that changes completely the game. So that's one of the technologies that we are using right now. Other, of course, as you could imagine, we are developing our own AI and machine learning frameworks. That's one of the things that we love to do. We are developing our own framework. That's one of the most amazing things because I usually use the metaphor of a company that build cars and even they build their own engines. Today, as you could imagine, there are big competition in this field as Google or IBM. So for us as a scale up, it's great to enjoy this game and battle with our own rules. So that's another things. Other things that we are exploring right now is quantum, because for us it's really important. One of the things that we discover is that the same question could has thousands and different right answers, not only one. For that, the framework of quantum is something that we are exploring because it's a really more complex system. That's one of the things that we are exploring here in San Francisco now with the Microsoft team, and as explorers, we are not lost. We love to say we are not lost, we are just exploring, and I think that that's the right thing to do. If we want to build exponential things, we could keep away the linear thinking in our mind. It's not to take the simple path. It's about to take the exponential path always, and this is the most important thing that I think, not only about technologies, because at the end of the day I think that the most important technology that we are using is human brains, and how we use these human brains and how we connect these in tribes is what we say is culture. At the end of the day, we think that our tool has to help our customers and corporates to change and evolve the culture even faster in order to break these silos. That's what I think that are gonna change really definitely the game, because the today challenge that we are facing in innovation is that everything is going faster, but the nice thing for me, it's not about the speed. The nice thing about innovation today, it's about innovation comes from everywhere. maybe your employee, maybe a department, but maybe your competitors, maybe a customer, maybe a completely different field. In our case, what we love to do is focus on biomimicry. So for us, nature, the world, is the best machine learning system ever. So we are really lovers about to observe how nature solve these problems and try to understand in order to implement in our own solutions. So I hope to see you in the next meeting of innovation, and I hope that you enjoyed today a great day. See you. Bye.